Welcome to Goodflex Rubber. Today we're looking at compressing tooling times for standard and 3D printed tooling. Goodflex has capability whatever your source, CAD model, 2D drawing or physical sample. CAD models are separated into individual bill of material components. The CAD team recreate 2D drawings specifically for the tooling applications. Samples are 3D scanned for dimensions. Critical geometry. We extract all the critical geometry and dimension information. In collaboration with you, we then generate a full scope of requirements, which we then use to create a detailed route of operations. We will send your quotation within the time frame specified. Please release your critical POs as soon as possible. We cannot afford delays if your project is deadline critical. Premium Fast Track is available. Please speak to a member of the sales team. Let's look at some critical factors for tooling. Our tooling design team examines optimum lifecycle material, cost effectiveness, application design, part production efficiency, and manufacture method. For standard tooling, jig and fixture production will begin for the toolmaking team, the inspection team, and for trimming of the final product. The next step is initiating the tooling production, with a typical lead time of up to 4 weeks. We scan the standard tooling to confirm it is correct. If incorrect, the toolmaking team will rework the tooling. For 3D printed tooling, we revise tooling geometry to extend for trimming and to add clamping fixtures for ease of manufacture. 3D printed technology is ideal for rapid prototyping or fast-track production. We scan the 3D tooling to confirm that it is correct. If incorrect, this gets revised and resent to print production. First article builds are completed to confirm that the product meets specification before introducing into full production. With a successful fab, we then move the part into full production. It's trimmed with fixture and moves to testing and validation. After a QA inspection, the parts proceed to dispatch for courier delivery directly to you. For more information, please visit us at www.goodflexrubber.com or speak to a member of the sales team.